My name is Rick Montadibus. I'm the Vice President of Global Sales at Control Station. Control Station provides easy to use, easy to understand solutions for the process analytics and process optimization space. And we do that via innovative software that we design and providing supporting technical services and training around that. Specifically in the process space, specifically for industries like food and beverage, oil and gas, pulp and paper, mining, chemical. Basically, if you're in the process space, we have a solution for you. So the first thing that sets us apart from the competition is no doubt the ease of use with our solutions. We have a team here that has the end user in mind when they're designing the software and their solutions. We know, if you've ever been in software, you know software. If it's complicated, in this day and age, everybody's wearing too many hats. If you have to spend a ton of time learning how to use the software, you're just not going to use it. And so our design engineers build our software with that in mind. We have a long-standing relationship with Rockwell and very engaged with their engineering team and their developments. And so one of the things that Rockwell customers benefit from is, since we have such a great relationship there and we have been a partner for so long, and we are the only partner that provides PID analytical solutions, we're on the cutting edge and step in step with Rockwell as far as new innovation comes out. So Rockwell customers are going to benefit from our solutions to help optimize the Rockwell technology that is released or on the cutting edge.